Hey guys, YouTube. Here's my review for a HG 121 Airsoft blue gun. Let's unbox and then review. Let's first of all have a quick look at all this shit no one really cares about. So, use glasses to protect your eyes. A bit comes out the bottom. Don't shoot at a man behind a target. Don't shoot at animals or you will be arrested. Don't blast it directly into your own eyeball with a big smirk on your face. Don't under any means maniacally tinker with the firearm. God, that looks fucking great. Reenact the scene from Ghost with your weapon. Do not let babies crawl towards the firearm. I don't know what that means. Read the instructions, that's what we're doing. And it looks like don't shoot a laptop while at a party. So with that said and done, let's well, this just feels right. Ooh. It's made of plastic, but that's so the authorities don't think it's a real gun. Let's fire this at some things that aren't alive. So here we go. I've set up some cups on this table, so let's see how it goes. Oh, that just feels right. I give it 8 out of 12.